Welcome to Hindustan Times Digital. My name is Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A50s. This phone comes with triple rear cameras, octa-core processor and a large screen infinity display. So let's get started with the unboxing of the Galaxy A50s. So this is the Galaxy A50s smartphone, and as you can see over here, we have got this violet variant, and the box clearly shows us the look and feel of the phone, the modern design touch which has been added using the water drop notch. It's got a triple vertical rear camera setup, and you have a unibody design, because of which the on-screen gets the fingerprint scanner and you don't have a rear fingerprint, which is actually a good thing. And now let's actually look inside the box and see what all we have inside to talk about. So you have the phone here, and the phone, as we just mentioned, is violet variant that we have. So the phone comes with 6GB RAM, as we mentioned, and 128GB storage. Apart from that, now let's actually look inside the box. So you have this case over here, which I'm hoping has the transparent case, and yes, we do. So you have this transparent case with the A50s, so that means that you can actually use it with the phone, and the fact that it comes inside the box means you don't have to buy it separately, which is always a good thing. Apart from that, you have this warranty card, which basically allows you to make sure that, let's say if you have some issue with the phone, you can head over to the service store and show this warranty card and make sure that you're eligible for all the benefits that you get. Apart from that, you have the quick startup guide, which lets you sign in with Google and let you use the phone. Those are basically the requirements in terms of the paperwork that you get with the phone, and that's what Samsung is doing. The phone is neatly wrapped inside this case, so you can actually remove it and start using it. You can definitely use a screen guard whenever required, definitely considering the kind of requirement you have. And if you're going to use it on a day-to-day basis, the durability is definitely going to be a much needed thing. Moving on, then we have this white color USB adapter. This is a travel adapter, so Samsung says that it supports adaptive fast charging. So this is white in color, as you can see, and it comes with this multi-purpose USB port. So basically what you can do is you can connect the USB cable and charge the phone, and then you can detach the cable and then use it for data transfer. So it's basically a multi-purpose thing, and you have these regular Indian ports that connects with all the regular Indian power sockets that you have in the market. Now moving on, then you have the earphones. The white color earphones are bundled inside the box with the A50s, so that's always an addition. And the fact that you get the phone with the headphone jack means that you can actually use it, and you don't have to spend separately for earphones, and that again is a very good thing. Moving on, then you have this USB Type-C cable also bundled inside the box, and these are also white in color. So basically the whole accessory package is white in color and neatly combines and complements the violet color that you have with the A50s. The Samsung Galaxy A50s comes with a transparent case for your phone, and you also get bundled earphones inside the box. So this means you don't have to buy both of them separately. That's always a good thing. You also get these white color USB Type-C cable, which is not only used for charging the phone but also for data transfer. This is the overall unboxing package of the Galaxy A50s. For more videos, stay tuned to hindustantimes.com.